Good morning, Jennifer. How are you today?
I'm doing great. We're really glad to be here with you, Roger, from Green Seasons Nursery here at the Florida Native Plant Show in Bradenton, hosted by fan and sponsors like you. So what do you have here for us today? What are you here to talk about?
Well, we brought quite a variety of what we grow at the nursery. We grow about 100 different species of plants, 100 different species of native plants. And we have everything from wildflowers to coastal plants, to upland shrubs and grasses.
All right. Any in particular that you'd like to show us today?
Well, I can start off right here. I've got this little setup, this little display here. All of these plants will work on our barrier islands. There's a couple of these long, but things like the frog fruit.
Frog fruit. Gotta love frog fruit. A great matting ground cover for shade and sun. Is that right?
Yes.
And such cute little flowers. Look almost like little matchsticks.
You got it.
All right. What else do we have?
And then we have Conradina canescens. This is a coastal, low-growing coastal shrub.
Low-growing coastal shrub. Can you say the name of that one more time, Roger?
Conradina canescens.
All right, thank you. And what's next to it over here? It's so bright and pretty.
This is seaside azuratum. This is azuratum littorale.
And what kind of conditions do well with this one?
This is back dune. This particular subspecies came out of the Florida Keys. Some people refer to it as Keys azuratum also.
All right.
Normal conditions for planting and doing gardening in the Keys. I mean, it's tough. It holds up to the high pH of the soils down there and everything.
Now, is this a pollinator attractor?
Yes.
Absolutely. All right.
Sure.
All right. What else?
Then we have Gaillardia. My Gaillardia is out of bloom because we've been selling this so fast we can't even get a bloom on it.
Oh, yes. I understand why. Those big orange flowers on Gaillardia are showstoppers.
Big orange and yellow.
All right. Orange and yellow, absolutely.
Then we have the same thing with the dune sunflower. This is also coastal front plant.
And I see you've got some great graphics over here. Show us why you picked these in particular to put up on your banners.
Well, these are plants that we all grow year-round.
Grow year-round.
These are very popular plants within the industry. These are some of our shrubs. These are some of our upland plants, of course. And the Gaillardia is one that works everything from beachfront. I mean, Gaillardia grows all the way up into Nebraska.
Oh, into Nebraska? I had no idea.
Yes. So this is one that covers pretty much the lower 48.
So would you say that these are all good choices for people to incorporate into their home landscape?
It can be. Depends upon what you're trying to do and what you're trying to attract. But yes, these are great little foundation plantings to be getting started, especially if you have coastal, the ones that we talked about initially. If you have coastal property and you're wanting to attract butterflies and bees. There's a couple of other species. I don't have one of them here, which is Monarda punctata. That's another good one that does great on the islands and around the bay. And they've just a myriad host for many, many different types of bees and butterflies.
All right, great. So do you have anything else you'd like to point out today? Because I've got to say, I'm really interested in these wildflowers you have just behind you. You have a whole slew of them. They're so pretty. These white and pink. Is this the salvia?
Yes, this is Salvia coccinea. The dominant color that you'll see of this plant when it comes back from seed is generally red, but every now and then we have the genetics that they decide to play a little fun with all of us, and they'll come back either as white or pink.
And what about these beautiful yellow ones right in front?
Rudbeckia hirta, black-eyed Susan.
Mm-hmm. And all of these are great pollinator attractors, correct?
Yes, all of them are. All of these wildflowers we have in here, some of them only attract certain types of butterflies, and they are, we've got quite a mix of things in here. Our milkweeds are over there, which of course are there for the monarchs.
Oh, yes.
Blue curl, Florida petunias, and a lot of these also, they attract hummingbirds, many, many different species of our wild bees, our native bees.
That's great. Well, thank you so much for your time, Roger. We really appreciate you being here and being a sponsor and exhibitor here at the Florida Native Plant Show in Bradenton. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you very much.